Hello traders, this is the Zigzag Man, and this is part 2 of the Intel buy and sell signal video I did the other day. And this time I put green arrows for buys, red arrows for sells. That's following through down here. Every green arrow is a buy signal and every red arrow is a sell signal. Now, this is the kind of chart you're looking for, where it goes straight up, straight down, straight up. No stalling in the middle area here at the 50. Only one here on the CCI, but basically even the CCI is just falling straight down, going straight up. That's the kind of chart you want to look for. Okay. Now, my strategy says that you buy at the lower Bollinger Band on higher than average volume. You sell at or just above the upper Bollinger Band on high volume. Same thing here. High volume low, high volume sell. I won't talk about this one too much, but here's a high volume buy and a high volume sell. Okay. Volume is one of the most important indicators of them all. Now, so my strategy says that you buy after the CCI drops below the -100 line and then crosses back up through it. Stochastics should be below the 20 line, or it can be right at the 20 line like here and here, but it's best if it drops below it and then sharply upticks. That's the best kind. Okay, that shows, you know, look at this drop on the CCI, straight down, straight up. That's what happens here. Not one red candle all the way to the top. Okay. Here's the buy signal here. The PPS was below the lower Bollinger Band. High volume. Stochastics confirmed it by dropping below 20 and then crossing back above it. The fast line crosses up through the slow line. Okay. On the MACD, the buy signal comes when the histogram is below 0 and crosses up above it, and the fast line of the MACD crosses above the slow line, like happens here and here. And the MACD didn't actually drop below 0 that time, but the MACD did. Over here, it dropped way below it and then crossed back up. That was a buy. Okay, so if you listen to the other video, I explain it in much more detail, but you buy at the lower Bollinger Band, sell at the upper, go short all the way to below the lower, cover and buy, take it up to the upper Bollinger Band on high volume and sell, short it to the lower, cover to buy, or buy to cover, and go long again. Sell at the upper Bollinger Band. Go short to the lower. Buy to cover and go long. Now, each one of these runs is about $2. So with 1,000 shares, you've made 2,000 up, 2,000 down, 2,000 up, almost 2,000 down, about 2,000 up. You get the idea. If you don't have a margin account, you can still make a lot of money. Here's 2,000, 4,000, let's say 1,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $9,000 in 6 months just going long. And as you can see, my CCI buy and sell signals call the top perfectly. There's the buy, there's the sell. You just line them up. Get a ruler or a piece of paper and line up my buy and sell signals with when it actually happens, and you'll get a real good idea how well this CCI buy signal works. Now, the CCI doesn't have to drop below the -100 line, and stochastics doesn't have to drop below the 20 line, but it's best if it does. So that's about it. Compare this to the other chart I did that doesn't have all the arrows and text on it. and you'll get a real good idea of my buy and sell signals. And right here, I'll talk about this in another video, because the 0 line of the CCI and the 50 line of stochastics is a very, very important area. As you can see, they blew right up through it here. Same thing here. A lot of times they won't. They'll come up and hit the 50 line of stochastics and the 0 line of the CCI and turn back. And at that point, you're going to take profits because the run is over. But like I said, I will get into that in great detail in another video. So that's about it for my buy and sell signals, part 2. I want to wish you all happy trading from the Zigzag Man.